Did you know that you can define a custom data type for Excel to use in your spreadsheet? For example, here, Excel will automatically remove any leading zeros even if we type them out. To make it so Excel doesn't do this, you can create a custom data type that has those leading zeros. Simply click on the little arrow to the right of number at the top to bring up the Format Cells dialog box. Here, you can change what kind of data is in the cell and thus how Excel treats it. To make a new data type, just click on Custom at the bottom of the list. Since we want the cell to always have at least 5 digits no matter what, we can type 5 zeros where it says General in the box directly under the word Type. Now when we go to type in the cell, Excel won't just stop removing any leading zeros, but will actually add them in if we don't type them out ourselves. If this was helpful or new information for you, follow us at Spreadsheet Nerds for even more tips and tricks in the future, and repost to help others in your network with their spreadsheet problems. Let our team of nerds help you solve your next business spreadsheet or data issue, so get in touch today for a free consultation to see how we can save you time and money with custom solutions.